आई एम फ्रॉम गार्गी, तो हमारे कॉलेज में एक तो हमारा एक नेस्कैफे का स्टैंड होता था, आई डोंट नो स्टिल देयर। तो वहां पे ना ऐसा 15 रुपए का टोमेटो सूप मिलता था। We had these very oily, very unhealthy, but very tasty चाउमीन। टिफिन्स का एक नींबू पानी होता था यार, बहुत टेस्टी। लाइक हिंदू कॉलेज, वहां पे आई थिंक उस टाइम पे they just started momos, starting राम लड्डू का स्टॉल। मैं चाहूंगी कि आई स्टार्ट अ कश्मीरी वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट।
We're all raised in a culture where hospitality is defined by ki thoda sa aur khaiye na please. And we all just love talking about food, bragging about the restaurants, that we've recently visited and the different cuisines, that we have tasted. Now, we also went through some of your photographs on Instagram. और मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मतलब you are also food obsessed as an individual. Is that true?
Completely.
Yeah.
I think I'm a very I think most of us na, like we are orally fixated, and we want good food, we want good drinks, we want good flavors in our mouths, and what better place than Indian cuisine जहाँ पे इतना variety है, like there's so much variety.
KK, do you love me? This is again taken from a restaurant. What had happened?
Oh, this was in Turkey. So we had gone there to shoot for 4 More Shots, Please, season 2. And uske baad Kirti and I had we stayed back and we traveled to this place called Bodrum and all. And both she and I were huge fans of the Turkish breakfast. And Turkish breakfast is like a spread. Like you have cheese, you have 2-3 kinds of cheese, you have 2-3 kinds of bread, you have 2-3 kinds of meat, you have 2-3 preparations of eggs. Then you have juice, coffee. It used to be like this very sumptuous meal. And thankfully, both of us were of the opinion that we won't go to fancy restaurants to eat. We will have more local food, because that's kind of what the entire experience is about. So, hum log, then even when we landed in Bodrum the first day, we'd gone to a place जहाँ पे वो घर में बना रहे थे lunch, then they would serve you, and very authentic, very home cooked vibe, but like a Turkish home cooked vibe. So yeah.
As a college goer, it is a ritual that you have to follow, that you have to visit every college just to analyze the food that's served in the cafe.
Correct.
You studied at
colleges.
Sorry?
Especially DUK colleges.
Exactly, DUK colleges. I'm sure you must have had experience. I mean, you yourself talked about Delhi University. कौन से कॉलेज थे वो? नॉर्थ कैंपस में आप ज्यादा घूमते थे या वाज इट साउथ कैंपस? कौन सी कैंटीन सबसे सही लगी?
गार्गी, मैं अपने कॉलेज की बात करूंगी। आई एम फ्रॉम गार्गी, तो हमारे कॉलेज में एक तो हमारा एक नेस्कैफे का स्टैंड होता था, आई डोंट नो स्टिल देयर। तो वहां पे ना ऐसा 15 रुपए का टोमेटो सूप मिलता था, ओके, विच वाज इन दिस स्मॉल छोटा सा ऐसा कप में। बेसिकली लाइक टोमेटो सूप का मिक्सचर डालते थे, एंड देन दे वुड ऐड हॉट बॉइलिंग वाटर टू इट, एंड देन उसको मिक्स करके। तो वो एक तो कॉलेज में ऑल्सो you're living frugally, you're trying to save money to go and watch a particular film and ये वो, तो वो हम बहुत खाते थे। एंड उसमें क्या होता है, सो एंड में उसका मसाला बच जाता है। वो खाने में बहुत मजा आता था मुझे पर्सनली। देन द चाउमीन, वी हैड दीज very oily, very unhealthy, but very tasty चाउमीन होता था हमारी कैंटीन में। Then we had a छोले कुलचे वाला person right outside our college. वहाँ पे एक छोले कुलचे वाला रहता था, and the एकदम सड़क वाला जो ऐसा, I think it was 18 rupees or something, yeah. And sometimes we would take it without the kulcha because we just felt it was healthier, which was just boiled chole with onions and hari mirch and masala and nimbu and all. And बाकी other colleges में से I remember Stephens का एक नींबू पानी होता था यार, बहुत tasty, like it used to be insane. Yeah, and Hindu, I used to go to a lot, Hindu college, वहाँ पे I think उस time पे they just started momos, they just started like chicken and veg momos, so they were very nice. And और क्या, मुझे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है।
So you never been to Kamla Nehru College? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि मतलब पड़ोसी में नहीं गए आप?
नहीं, actually हाँ, you're right. I don't think so. But in my school we used to have I'm from Mothers International and वहाँ पे we used to have so एक हमारा होता था कैंटीन और एक होता था मातृ स्टोर, okay, जो other which is open to everybody, like even you can, like anybody can go even right now and go and buy something from that store. तो मातृ में एक चॉकलेट केक्स होते थे जो वहीं पे, मतलब वो they used to make it fresh. They were delicious and they used to literally, वो आते थे और खत्म हो जाते थे, they would go out of stock and they used to have these Triumphs का packet, तो उसके लिए भी and then they started ice creams वहाँ पे, which was a huge deal for us because imagine like kids के लिए आप ice cream दे रहे हो without parent supervision, so what else can kid want. And then we used to again have chole bhature in the canteen जो 5 रुपए के होते थे.
You studied in South Delhi. I studied in LSR, तो मुझे वो एरिया बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से पता है. तो आप मुझे बताओ कि ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता you never went to Ansel Plaza, you never went to Lajpat Nagar. क्या ये तो अड्डे होते हैं खाना खाने के? आप गए थे. What were those addas for you? The food addas.
M-Block was our adda. BK1 M-Block. And तो वहाँ पे एक ब्राउन शुगर करके एक शॉप है which has these wheat momos. तो हम and उनकी चटनी बहुत टेस्टी होती थी, like it's not your usual momos चटनी, it was like some other yellow color की कोई चटनी होती थी, very good. तो हम वहाँ पहुँच जाते थे, खाने की बात करनी है ना कि शॉपिंग
only खाना.
So we used to go there a lot. Then of course there was
मूलचंद के पराठे, ये सारी तो बहुत चीजें फेमस होती थी. मूलचंद
not so much, but यूसुफ सराय के रात को, मतलब पोस्ट पार्टी वाले जो पराठे होते थे वो. Then there's this then Dilli Haat के momos and the root beer and all. और क्या?
और JNU में भी तो कभी गए होगे. I mean anybody studied in Delhi, वो तो JNU चला ही जाता है. वहाँ पे ढाबे ही इतने हैं कि you can always dig into.
Like my mom used to teach in KVJNU, so but मुझे मतलब I don't have any food memories in JNU somehow. Food memories बाकी जगहों की है. प्रिया जाते थे. Then I remember the Select City Walk, they had just started sushis. Like they used to have these stalls. Like otherwise just only get restaurants. Yeah, they just started that. And we used to go there and just like order lots of sushi and while shopping we are eating and all. So मतलब Delhi and food, golgappe, I love golgappe. Then Lajpat Nagar में there's this place, मतलब ये like golgappe also you get everywhere, right? Even in Bombay you have like a pani puri version or whatever. But there was this thing called Ram Laddu.
राम लड्डू they still give it.
तो यहाँ पे कहीं नहीं, मैंने कहीं और नहीं देखा है वो. I've only seen it in Delhi, which is that bacon balls,
and then they put green chutney and all.
तो वो कहीं और नहीं देखा है मैंने. And that is something like I keep telling my Bombay friends that you must have it when you go to Delhi, if not for anything just for experience, because यहाँ पे मिलता नहीं है.
How's that? मतलब मिलता नहीं है. You should start a joint. You should be offering this. I'm telling you, all Delhiites will come to you. They're missing it. Then our other favorite, of course, how can I forget, was Big Chill. Big Chill was like a thing. And चांदनी चौक, ऐसा तो कोई DU student नहीं है जो अपनी books लेने चांदनी चौक नहीं पहुंचा, जो सिर्फ खाने की गली explore करने नहीं पहुंचा है चांदनी चौक.
मैं नहीं गई.
आप नहीं गए? So you are saying you've not had चांदनी चौक की जलेबी, you've not had चांदनी चौक के पराठे, and you've not had चांदनी चौक का कांजी वड़ा.
So I remember my dad was having चांदनी चौक में पराठे वाली गली में ही वहाँ पे एक खुरचन मिलता है. तो I didn't even know of the concept of खुरचन. वहाँ पे पापा और my dad was super into like old Delhi और वो ऐसे हमेशा बचपन से कहानियाँ सुनाई हैं and all of that. So हम जब गए थे तो I was excited to see all those कहानियाँ come in flesh and blood. I was like देखते हैं. And so my dad kept saying khurchan, and I was like, what is that? मुझे नहीं पता. And then he told me the concept कि उसको khurchan क्यों बोलते हैं, khurchan क्या होता है. And then I saw it and मुझे बिल्कुल it did not look appetizing to me at all. And I said नहीं मुझे नहीं खाना. Although my dad loved it and he was just like fully enjoying it and stuff. So yeah.
Any other cuisine that you sort of explored and you were like, wow, this is like mind blowing, something that I not even expected?
So I'm actually, again, like I said, I love trying out new things, and I like trying out local flavors. So even so I remember when I'd been to China, I'd gone to Shanghai. So वहाँ पे, and what had happened was I'd gone there as part of our theater group, and all my other friends were vegetarian, you know. So I was literally, and मेरा वो था कि, you know, let's just eat whatever, like everybody's eating kind of a thing. But everybody was, so all my vegetarian friends were having a really hard time, you know, to find food that was vegetarian or whatever. So finally they found one Indian restaurant, and वहाँ पे वो दाल चावल खा रहे थे, and I used to look at them and be like, you know, यहाँ आके you're, you know, eating dal chawal. But I get where they were coming from. So I actually really like local food. I love Singapore ka, like they have these like rice, they're rice cake but balls, like ऐसा मोटा सा.
Okay.
And उसमें they have different flavors, like they stuff it sometimes with things. वो मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है, and it's more like a snack, you know. So you pick it up, you have sourdoughs or something, pick it up, and while you're walking and like exploring the city, आप खाते रहो उसको. I love Indian cuisine, यार. I think Indian cuisine is so unexplored. Like हमारे पास कितना है, you know, like and so much variety. Like for example, I feel like I'm a Kashmiri, and I feel Kashmiri cuisine is very popular for its non-veg dishes. But I think our vegetarian food is so good, and it's so underrated. Like not many people know about कि कश्मीर का जो vegetarian food है वो भी कितना अच्छा है. तो मैं actually वो चाहूंगी कि, you know, like instead of starting राम लड्डू का stall, मैं चाहूंगी कि I start a Kashmiri vegetarian restaurant, because हाँ, like you know, जैसे even when my parents come, बॉम्बे जब वो आते हैं तो मैं अपने friends को घर बुलाती हूँ, because मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो they should eat Kashmiri veg food, क्योंकि non-veg चलो सबने खाया है, पता है हमें रोगजोश, यखनी, but हाँ, so Kashmiri food is, I think, top of the list.